Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boya microphone system. This is the Boya UHF dual channel wireless microphone system, and this is the series BY-WM8. I bought these to go with my Canon DSLR camera, which is a EOS 80D. I'm very excited about this. According to the box, what should be inside is a lavalier microphone, hopefully there's a pair, a microphone holder clip, XLR output cable, stereo 3.5mm mini plug cable, belt clip, a windscreen, and shoe mount adapter. So let's get this open and see. Oh, as you can see, it comes in a very nice, neat, sleek case. Careful how you open it. The clips are down, so I assume this is the right way to open it. And it is. Oh, there you go. Got your manual, your booklet that I'm sure it tells you what to do. I've done so much research in these, I kind of have an idea of what to do. Real quick to see. Okay, yep. This is the pair of windscreen for the mic. That's your jack. That's another jack. And a lot of wiring, so I'll figure out what to do and how to use these. I'm gonna switch cameras because at the moment I'm actually filming with my DSLR and I actually need the DSLR to mount on top of it. I've got my DSLR camera. I'm gonna take this gadget and I'm going to slide it in here. This here is your transmitter. This here goes into your transmitter. So it's got a standard hole that comes with all cameras. And we screw this in. Yep. And we put it on here. Then we tighten it, and this is how it's fitted. Now I've got myself some batteries. I will put them in. Yep, and then I will reattach the transmitter. It's very easy to attach. There you go. And I will quickly put batteries in. So two batteries, two AA batteries each. Right, now we're going to attach the necessary wiring. Now that we've got the batteries in, let's get our microphones together. This is your microphone, and this is your windshield, I believe it's called. Just to get this without ripping it, carefully stick it in there and fit like a glove. It's cute too. That's one microphone down. Second microphone. Again, be careful, this is sponge. This is for microphone, so I would put it, this is a mic, so it should go where the mic is. And you can tighten it there as well. It's my first time actually assembling one of these, so I'm not a professional, but like I said, I've done a lot of research because I was so anxious of having one. Well, these clips goes with these. Therefore, you can put it around and clip it onto your shirt. This wire here goes to your line out. Just push it in and you could tighten it to your desire. And then it goes on the side of my EOS A to D. I've got mic and I've got headphone. So it goes into the mic. Okay, that's one section done. And now I have to connect the transmitter with the receiver. Next thing to do is to turn the receiver on. It's on channel 1. I will leave it there for now. And turn on the transmitters. Yeah, it's also on channel 1. For this demonstration, I'm only going to use one transmitter. But according to the manual, I will need some headphones in order to gauge the volume. Okay, now I've got my headset. So what is required me to do here is I'm going to put the headphones into where it says headphones right there. The headphone is on, so the one that's turned on, I will test it. Microphone check. This is good. Testing 1 2 1 2. It's excellent. I've changed the channel from number 1 and now it's on channel 48 and it sounds better than number 1. So whichever channel, just play around with the channels until you find a channel that works for you. So for extended demonstration purpose, we're gonna mic up. Yeah. So this is for extensive demonstration purpose. We've got our mics on.
Microphones. Mine's attached to my top here. I hope it's at the right angle
and mine is here, and hopefully that the vocal is fine. At the moment, we're not so far away from the camera.
No.
So what I want to do, both of us are gonna actually exit this room and we're going into another room.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna have a conversation just to see if the how loud it picks up on the camera.
Yep.
So here we go.
This is our bedroom. Next room to the camera where it is at the moment.
Right, and we've got the door closed.
Yeah.
Well, let's go into the bathroom area.
Yeah.
The bathroom.
Furthest away.
The bathroom is furthest away. So we're just going to the bathroom, and what we're going to do, we're going to close the bathroom door.
Yeah.
To see. Okay, bathroom door is closed. Okay.
Yeah.
It promises that it could give you, I believe it's up to 100 feet. I'm not seeing it here. I don't want to quote it. By going into the rooms and touching the doors, yes, that should give us a good idea as to how much interruption can it actually deal with. Yeah, that's it. I'm very excited to test this out, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing and this little mini tutorial. Like I said, I'm not a professional at this. I'm just overexcited about having it and thought I should share it with you guys. Have fun with yours and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing, not a lot, but I do some unboxing of various electronics. Until then, later.